Welcome to Burnside Farm and Burnside Farm Foods. I've been running Burnside Farm Foods with my wife Susie since the mid-80s. We've been supplying chefs up and down the country, and now Scotland's finest game is going to come to you directly online if you check up Burnside Game. This is Burnside Farm that lies beautifully here in the Tweed Valley in the Scottish borders near Kelso. To the south that you can see are the Cheviot Hills in the background, which is on the Scottish-English border. To the east down to Kelso and Berwick upon Tweed. To the north, the Lammermuir Hills, another famous area for grouse. We source all our game from within a 30-mile radius of here, thereby guaranteeing freshness and traceability. Hidden below this old granary is our EEC approved Food Standards Scotland factory. We've got an EEC license, UK EEC license, a few rodia hang there, which allows us to sell abroad and anywhere in the UK. We believe this is unique because we don't believe there are many farm approved premises processing small game and rodia still on the farm in the countryside.